G'day, Galaxy. Sora 2 just dropped today, and folks everywhere say it's light years better than VO 3. Let's put it to the test.
First, let's do a simple prompt. Something like an asteroid destroying all of the dinosaurs. Look at that.
First, VO3. Look at that styrofoam meteor falling so slowly. That explosion was actually really good. And now, Sora 2.
Now with this model, it's a bit more cinematic. But why were the T-Rexes running toward the explosion?
My point is there really are some obscure physics things VEO3 tends to get right more than Sora, so they aren't completely out of the game, but it is objectively worse at everything else now. Take copyright.
Copyright filter online. Unauthorized content detected.
It's really surprising they allowed this. There's no complex jailbreaks. It just works on anything, down to quotes in movies regenerating that scene of the movie.
Yippee-ki-yay, mother.
Okay, that didn't work, but I promise it can. Also, I just ran out of Sora 2 credits, so now you get the VO3 narrator, I guess.
Anyway, in addition to copyrighted people, you can also generate any non-copyrighted person too. But for some reason, everyone is only generating one person.
No, that guy's the fake clone. One. I'm the real Sam. Would a clone know my birthday? April 22nd. You pulled that off my Wikipedia page. I'm the CEO. Look at me. He's panicking because he got caught. I'm panicking? You're...
In 2027, we expect 93% of executive decisions in the Fortune 500 to be made by our next model. That means more consistency, faster cycles, and yes, fewer humans in the loop.
There's so much more we haven't covered yet. Sora 2, basically able to generate full anime intros with a coherent song on top, and the one playing so far was VO3. Here's Sora.
Spaghetti time. Nothing like this after a mining run. All gone.
The model also passes the spaghetti test. Overall, the main tangible leap is just how creative this thing is. Look at this one.
Oh, okay, why did we call this meeting again?
I just felt like vibes were weird.
Yeah, totally weird. Weird enough to stab someone, maybe.
We need a vote. Somebody sus.
Sus?
You can still see his knife.
I don't know. White's been real quiet.
Yeah, that's enough for me.
Bye-bye, tiny man.
If you got this far, I would absolutely try to get access to this new model or whatever model China has in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.
Not again!